This conference will now be recorded.
All right, well, welcome everyone. Today, this is a weekly weather briefing for Thursday, April 16th, 2026. Some important updates for today. We do have some low rain chances in northern Mississippi. We are expecting it to be seasonably warm on Friday. Rain and storms are possible late Saturday and into early Sunday, and seasonally cooler and dry weather is expected in the wake. So today we do have around a 20 to 30% chance there in the Highway 82 corridor. As mentioned before, on Friday it's going to be seasonally warm. Temperatures may reach 90 degrees. And the rain this weekend are expecting some totals between ½ inch to 1 inch of rain. So right now, here's what's going on. We do have some light rain showers from a weak disturbance to our north, and that is bringing us a few rain showers across the northwestern delta, but otherwise most areas remain dry. Here's the satellite imagery this morning. Still some clouds, clearings with some of the fog from earlier this morning. In addition, there could be another round of some fog tonight and into tomorrow morning, and we'll keep you updated on that. So the overview for the weather pattern for today, there's a weak disturbance bringing those low rain chances, as I said, around 20 to 30%. Very limited rainfall is expected across 82. So this is not going to make really any dent in any of the ongoing drought concerns that we have. So Friday, this high pressure will maintain above normal warmth. Some areas could reach at or above 90 degrees. Along the northwest of the Natchez Trace have the highest probabilities, around 30 to 60%. Some of those probabilities have dropped somewhat from recently, but still reasonably high enough that we will see some temperatures peaking right around 90 degrees and still mid to upper 80s elsewhere. So pretty warm for this time of year. Saturday into Sunday, chances for rain and storms increase. The rain chances peak around 60 to 85% across the region late Saturday evening. And into Sunday, that front moves through and the rain chances move out. And there will be some seasonally cool temperatures in the wake of that front as well. So here's the forecast through the next week for the northwestern to northwestern half of the area. Is going to be pretty warm there on Thursday to Friday, and then we're going to have a cool down into the weekend and early parts of next week, and then warming up into the following week. And the same for the central to southern portions of the area. Cooler temperatures are expected into early next week. Before that, it will be seasonally warm lows, and then finally into early next week, we will fall into the upper 40s, which is definitely a little bit cooler than normal this time of year. Rain chances, as mentioned before, we have a little bit in northern Mississippi today and northern Arkansas, but overall dry into tomorrow, and then the higher amount of rain chances moving in Saturday into Sunday. Clearing out, and then some uptick in rain and potential storm chances late next week. The rainfall, it is beneficial into this weekend, but we are not going to make much of a dent in the ongoing drought. So we'll go over that real quick. So the latest drought monitor as of just a couple days ago, or at least a couple days ago, we have D0 abnormally dry in southeast Mississippi, but now there's been quite a bit of an expansion of the D1 through D2 drought, and also the extreme drought as well. So there's larger portions of the area this drought is continuing to worsen. The recent rain has not been great enough to overcome the long-term dryness, and so the flows on local streams and rivers are below normal for this time of year. So overall, that's really it. Low rain chances today, seasonably warm Friday, some rain and storms into the weekend, and seasonally cooler and drier in the wake, with this rain not making much of a dent in the drought issues.